Time, energy, and psychology. These are the three things that you need to manage to be successful at university. And let's start with the simplest one, which is how to organize a weekly planner. It's very simple. Here you have an example. I use Google Calendar. You can use any platform that you want, but I really like Google Calendar. You can also have it on your phone. Step number one, what you have to do is to put your classes. Here I put them in green. For everybody is different. This is just an example. I put the theory class and the exercises class. And then also add any appointment that you have fixed during the week. For example, if you go to the gym or you have social activities. Here you have full week. Now I have added more things. You have in pink 2 gym sessions and social activities. And then once you have put all your fixed appointments that can be also part-time jobs or any other activity that you have, then you organize your studying around this week. And this studying, I put it in yellow. This is just an example. Normally I will say you should aim around 40 hours of study week. This includes the breaks, okay? I know it's going to be very hard at the beginning because you are not used to this type of working. The first week you're going to be very tired. You're not going to be able to work for long, and that's normal. But it is like going to the gym. If you keep pushing, after a while you will be able to work and focus for longer time. So this initial weekly planner that you do will change over time because you have to see when it's best for you to study when you have more energy. For example, I really like to revise theory class just after the theory class because it's fresh, but maybe you are sick of it and you prefer to focus on exercises. That depends on you. But definitely I suggest that you divide consciously your study time between theory and exercises. There is a tendency of focusing only on exercises, ignoring the theory, but the theory is the basis of everything. And I know you are not used to studying theory from high school. Once you have the wiki planner, try to follow it as much as you can. You will see that probably you will need to adapt what you originally thought of. Also, you need to organize yourself with your colleagues because it's good to work in groups, for example, to try to solve exercises or try to explain the theory to one another. So you do an initial planner. This may evolve over time. That's natural. But always try to follow what you said you were going to do. And then for the next week, adapt accordingly. And also in this planner, put any important event. For example, dates of exams, deadlines for assignment, like when you should upload some exercise on Moodle. You can put tasks using Google Calendar. You can put the places where, for example, the classes are going to take place so that you don't need to remember all the time. It's extremely useful. Keep it with you all the times. Put always any appointment with teachers that comes up. And this will help you a lot to have a structure, to know on what you're using your time, and also to avoid procrastination. Now, there is something important when you organize your calendar. I will avoid studying before going to sleep because that may hinder your sleep. And also I will try to keep more or less the same pattern, which means waking up more or less at the same time, going to bed more or less at the same time, and you should know how many hours you need to sleep to be fresh. Organizing a weekly planner may look trivial, but actually is more tricky than one may think. So please start from the very beginning and see how it goes.